how to trade using Tradelocker. So this is Tradelocker, download it from Play Store and log in. So basically, if you want to do Forex Alert, I want to show I can do Forex Alert and trade it in Tradelocker. If you are new and you are started doing tap to trade, but you want to start taking Forex Alert, so once you open your Akashx app, come and click on Forex Alert, and you can see these are the alert for today. This one is still active. This is gold/USD. It's on buy, and it was sent by Joe Arias in the last 35 minutes. So this one, though 35 minutes, it is quite a little bit long time. Basically, most time if it is 5 minutes, 2 minutes, you can take it. But because of this video, I want to just take this straight to show us. So once you click on open alert, you can see this is the entry price. Entry price is 32.40, and this is still active even though it was sent 35 minutes ago. So you copy this entry price, once you copy, minimize and come to your Tradelocker. In Tradelocker, this is what you said what you want to trade on. This place up here, if it is not on gold, you tap on it and come and tap XAU, which is gold, and it's this particular gold USD metals, this one. So you open it, and remember it is buy. We are buying, so you come here and click on buy. Once you tap on the buy, automatically it has bought. Look at it here, position opened, and that's the trade you have now. You have trade 1. So you now want to come and put stop loss and take profit. You can see this is the take profit 1. I just copy it. Just copy the take profit 1, come here and tap on the trade up, and tap on it again and click on edit, and come and put your take profit 1. Come and tap here and paste it and click on confirm. That is the take profit 1. So also you want to put your stop loss. So if you want to put your stop loss, remember how I put the take profit. I went here, I copied take profit 1 from here, and I come here, tap on the trade up here, then click on it again here, tap here again, and come and tap on edit. So once you tap on edit, you tap on this arrow here that points up, and I put the take profit 1. So I can minimize and copy the stop loss. This is the stop loss here, 32.30 for this trade. I have copied it and minimized to come here. This is the place for stop loss. You tap and delete all this one back, delete the figures that are there, or edit it. You can delete and now paste the new one. This is my stop loss, 32.30. Once you are done, you click on confirm. You can see it is sending trade alert. So you need to on your phone to be getting the alert like this, so that you know what is going on. So it just updated that particular one. Now I'll go and check it again. Look at it here, the trade alert. So it's still valid. So basically, this is how you can copy the trade alert and come and trade in your Tradelocker. You can come and also monitor it. Once you come, you tap on the trade up and see whether it's some profit. You can see some profit. If you want to take profit, even before it hits its own take profit, and I can tap on this close. Let me see. If you want to close it, you can see close is here by the left here, down. So if I want to close the trade, look at it here. This way I can close it even before it hit my stop loss or take profit, if it is going my direction. So this is how you can copy Forex Alert. And even if you come and enter a tap to trade here, if you enter tap to trade and you want to monitor your tap to trade, once you click on tap to trade and you approve, for example, this one happened 20 minutes ago. Once you're able to do enter tap to trade, you want to monitor your trade. The same thing you do, you come to your Tradelocker. That particular tap to trade that you have done will be shown like this too. Once you come, it will show like this. You tap on this trade up, you tap on it like this. Even though what you have done is tap to trade, come and tap here. That particular tap to trade will show here. This is where I can monitor it for those who are still doing tap to trade. So this is where I can monitor your tap to trade and how I can also trade in Tradelocker. So if you have any question, write in the comment section of this video. Let me know. I'm Mr. Emmanuel from Emidel Official. Subscribe to get more details or more videos on how I can make money from forex trading. And let's move to the top. Thank you for watching.